This is Avidyne Avionics solutions for Robinson helicopters. Today we're going to talk about the IFD series of FMS GPS nav comms from Avidyne that are available for Robinson helicopters. Avidyne offers a full line of avionics. Today we're going to focus specifically on the IFD440, the IFD540, and the IFD550, which are FMS GPS NavCom units. And there are also GPS-only versions of each, the IFD410, 510, and 545. In addition, Avidyne offers the IFD100 app, which is an iPad app that connects wirelessly to any of our IFDs. And recently announced our Zeus-mounted multifunction flight management system, the Atlas and the Helios. Avidyne offers audio panels with 6-place voice intercom, plus ADS-B panel mount and remote mount transponders, ADS-B in receivers like the Skytrax 100B, and also active surveillance traffic with ADS-B, the Skytrax 600 series. All of Avidyne's IFD Series FMS products feature hybrid touch user interface, which means we have touchscreen capability, but we've kept all the knobs and buttons so it gives the pilot the choice. Synthetic vision is standard equipment, as you see here. Exocentric view of your own ship over a 3D map of terrain, obstacles, airports, traffic, METAR flags on both the 5 series and on the 4 series. All IFDs come with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This isn't an add-on. The antenna is right behind the little logo right here, and it gives you the ability to communicate with iPads and Bluetooth keyboards and that sort of thing, including Avidyne's own IFD100 app, plus a multitude of third-party apps that we support. The IFD's page and tab user interface provides a flat menuing system. There's no home page, there's no nested menus or unfamiliar icons to memorize. With the IFDs, you can get to any page in 1 or 2 clicks. Geofill is an algorithm that guesses the next waypoint you need based on location and distance from where you're at versus just what's alphabetical in the database. And all IFDs feature terrain awareness, which is a full color contour terrain base map plus colored alerting of nearby terrain and forward-looking terrain alerting, which is a projection in time. It gives you a TAWS-like functionality. So full color hybrid touch flight management system will allow you to fly and train on ILSs, LPVs, LNAV plus V, etc. You can also fly helicopter SIDS and STARS, plus all the helipads are in the database. Again, Geofill reduces head down time, which is really critical in helicopters. They have easy one-touch holds and really easy user-defined waypoint creation, whether it's present position by lat long or radial and distance off of a known fix, plus rubber band flight plan editing and waypoint creation. The IFDs act as multifunction displays as well, so you get a full color moving map with your flight plan over a high-resolution color contour terrain base map. We offer Powerline database as a selectable map feature, your nearby nav aids, obstacles, airspace, airways, etc. For our European customers, European VFR reporting points. The IFDs are configurable to control a remote-mounted transponder. So if panel space is a limiting factor, you can put in a remote mount transponder and control it right from the IFD. And of course, it'll display your XM or ADS-B or any other weather source and traffic source as well, whether that's ADS-B traffic, TAS, or TCAS. I mentioned synthetic vision. You get the exocentric synthetic vision, 3 arc-second terrain data, traffic, obstacles, power lines, terrain awareness, this forward-looking terrain alerting like you see here. Notice it's a projection in time, whether you're going to collide with any kind of obstacle or terrain. And that's basically a TAWS function that's included in all IFDs. The IFDs do offer an optional HTAWS function as well as an NVIS compatibility on the 5 series. There are options for IFDs with and without the VHF radio. The VHF radio provides, there's 10 watt and optional 16 watt VHF comm with 25 kilohertz and pilot selectable for 8.33 kilohertz spacing. easy frequency nomination, so one-touch tuning, station ID readouts of both your active and your standby frequency, or multiple standbys as it were. With the IFDs, you can program up to 15 user-defined COM presets, and you can access those through a remote increment, decrement, and or transfer switch as well. So you can move through all of your COM presets, select the frequency, and then transfer it all remotely from switches right on your controls, so you can really have hands-free operation of the COM radios. On the 5 series, it supports Jeppesen approach charts and airport diagrams, including, again, helipads, helicopter approaches. They're easily updated through a USB memory stick. It's a non-proprietary, just plugs into a USB port. That can also be used as a USB charger for your iPad or your other devices. There is an optional RS-170 video input on the 5 series, so you can put in remote cameras as well and display them on the IFD5 series. Our IFD100 app is an exclusive iPad app for your IFD, provides another instance of IFD in the cockpit. So it gives you a big glass display of your panel-mounted IFD. Just transfers the data up via Wi-Fi, giving you an independent display, COM nav tuning control of the panel-mounted box. It's very handy. Here you can see a exploded version. It's like having just a big screen IFD, maybe up at a more accessible point in the cockpit. You get all your data blocks. You can tune your nav and COM frequencies. You get a full-size moving map. In this case, we've got it on the exocentric synthetic vision display. You see nearby traffic, weather. There's data link weather coming in from the panel-mounted box. Supports multitasking with a lot of third-party apps. Here you can see I've got ForeFlight running on the left side of my iPad, and it, of course, has an integrated set of full search and rescue patterns. I can pull up an SAR pattern and load it into the IFD, and it will show up on my IFD100 as well, and I can fly that very easily on the nice big screen. The IFD100 app is a free download from the iTunes App Store. We work seamlessly, as I mentioned, with many third-party apps, including ForeFlight, Seattle Avionics FlyQ, Flight Plan Go, Cloud Ahoy. We've recently added SkyDemon for Europe. We have HTAWS runways for Australia. We make our software development kit available to third-party app developers, so you can expect that list to continue to grow. We also offer an IFD Trainer app, which is, again, a free download, and it allows you to emulate any of the 6 IFDs with and without VHF, both the 5 series and the 4 series, and you can train from the comfort of your own home. It's very convenient, and it behaves just like the panel-mounted unit. Avidyne offers a full host of training videos on our website under Support. Avidyne Training, you'll see training videos, and we've got a full list of training lessons, kind of a syllabus here, and it takes you through each lesson. There's about 11 to 12 videos, most of them nominally are 3 to 4 minutes, a couple of them run a little longer. But it's a great way to sit down with your trainer app and with these, watch these videos and kind of play along with it. Easily learn all the basic operations and advanced operations as well. We also offer a full library of webinars on demand, from learning the IFD basics to IFD advanced. We've got how to use the trainer, how to use the IFD100 app, how to use all the setup pages. It goes on and on. There's a whole list there, but those are all available right from our website, avidyne.com, support Avidyne Training. We also offer right from our homepage, there's a link called Pilot Support. It takes you to our knowledge base where you can see a whole host of articles from everything from warranty, database activation, operational tips, your pilot's guide, that sort of thing. It's easy to get to, and it's great for getting information. Avidyne IFD Series for Robinson Helicopters offers a significant list of exclusive features that are optimized for helicopter operations. Contact Robinson Helicopters or Avidyne for more information.